Hey guys, so I am not here today. I have a meeting at the district office with a couple other teachers that I went to. So I just wanted to make this real quick so that you can know what we are working on. We are starting a new unit for second quarter about the Industrial Revolution. So you can see a kind of very rough timeline on the front whiteboard. We're going to talk about that a little bit later tomorrow when we take our first set of notes, but just know that this new unit that we are starting is kind of not going to go in chronological order like the rest of our stuff has been, but the Industrial Revolution is something that is going to be taking place while all of the other things that we've already talked about are happening. So we're going to see some inventions, we're going to talk about the introduction of the factory system, and all of that is going on while our country is writing the Constitution and while Lewis and Clark are exploring West. What you guys are going to start out doing today is a little bit of a reading and a races paragraph. So on Schoology, everybody can go ahead and open up, we're in the Industrial Revolution folder. The assignment is called Factory System Reading. You can either pause and everybody can open this up, or I'll give you a couple seconds. All right, so once you have this assignment opened up, we are going to be discussing how the introduction and the invention of factories changes the lives of workers around the world. And so you guys are going to read an article and answer a races paragraph question. So the article that you should have open looks like this. It is called "The Industrial Revolution's Factories Changed the Working World." You can see it's just a couple pages long. And then you also should have this assignment pulled up, the Industrial Revolution Factory System. The instructions say to use the attached article to answer the question using a races paragraph. Okay, so our question that we're going to be answering is right here. It said, how did the Industrial Revolution change the lives of workers? Okay, so we know that when we're reading through this article, we should be looking for the answer to that question, specific ways that the Industrial Revolution changes the lives of workers, okay? So here's what you guys are going to do. You are going to read through this article, and while you're reading, I want you to be highlighting, looking for specific ways that the Industrial Revolution changed the lives of workers. Okay. After you're done reading, I want you to put 2 quotes from the text that you feel like help you answer your question. Okay. So for example, if we're pulling quotes from the text that answer our question, you're going to be using those in what sentence on your races paragraph? I'm hoping somebody answered, and that is the cite sentence. Okay, so you are looking for quotes that will help you answer your question. You are eventually going to use those on your cite sentence. Okay, here's where you're going to write your races paragraph. Okay, I know that last week we kind of went through and did this a little bit together, right? We read the article about Tecumseh together. We highlighted things that answered our questions together, and then you wrote the races paragraph, right? Well, we're just taking away one step of doing stuff together. So we have all done this before, but you're just going to do this one on your own this time, okay? You should have access to the races guide. Okay, everybody should have this at their desks. This is going to tell you what should be included in each sentence, and then it also gives you some sentence starters. Okay, so please make sure that you are using this. Make sure that you're using your sentence starters. I also would like you to make sure that you keep an eye on your capitalization and your punctuation. Every sentence should have a capital letter and a period. One at the beginning, one at the end, okay? If you have questions, you can send me an email. You can message me on Schoology, and if I'm able to, I will answer you back. If not, I will definitely be back tomorrow. But I am hopeful, since we did this together with Tecumseh, that we're just taking it a step further, and this time you are going to be reading that article on your own highlighting on your own, and you are answering, how did the Industrial Revolution change the lives of workers? And then you're going to put 2 of the quotes that you highlighted here, and then you're going to write your races paragraph in this box here. Okay? All right. I will see you tomorrow. I hope that everybody has a great day.